Hello everyone, this is Jebel. My register number is URK23CS 1119. Today I'm going to explain about my first experiment in data science and ecosystem. My first question is uh, a company records employee details. Write a Python program to take employee name, employee ID, and monthly salary as input and print them in a formatted way. Okay, this is my program. So I have get my employee name and employee ID from the user. Then I'm getting my monthly salary in float data type. Then I'm printing my employee details as formatted by name as employee name, formatted employee ID as employee ID, which we get from the user, as like the both we are getting for salary. Then we are printing it. My output is I'm just giving an employee name as Jebel and my employee ID is 1119. My salary is around 1 lakh. So then my details has been printed. My second question is a courier service charges shipping based on package dimension. Take length and width of the package and compute its area and perimeter. Let's go on with our code. Uh, I have used length and width as a variable and getting input from the user in the type of float and giving the formula for area. Area is equal to length into breadth. My perimeter formula is 2 into length plus width. Sorry, and I'm printing my area and perimeter over here. This is my output. Let's check on with output once again. My length of the package is around 100 and my width is around 20 and my area is 2000 and my perimeter is 240. The next question is a retail store gives a discount based on purchase amount. If the amount is greater than 5,000, the discount will be 20 percentage. If the amount is greater than 2,000, the discount will be 10 percentage. Else the discount will be 5 percentage. Write a program to calculate the final price. The code is I'm just getting the amount from the user. Then I'm just giving the conditions. If the amount is greater than 5,000, I'm giving the 20 percentage as discount. So 20 percentage I have converted into decimal. Then else if it is greater than 2,000, my discount will be 10 percentage and else the normal discount will be 0. Like 5 percentage. So I'm just giving the discount amount is equal to amount into discount. Then the final amount will be the amount minus the discount amount. Then I'm printing the discount amount and my final amount. So I'm just running it up. So I'm giving 12,000 as my input. So my discount amount will be 2,400. My final price will be 9,600. Okay. My fourth question is a vehicle service center needs to check the next service year. Write a program to check if a year is a leap year for scheduling service reminder. We have to check whether the year is leap year for scheduling service reminder. Just getting the year as user input. If the year is divisible by 4 is equal to 0 and the year should be not divisible by 100 is equal to 0, it's not equal to 0, or the year divisible by 400 is equal to 0, the year will be leap year. Else the year will not be a leap year. So I'm gonna run it. So I'm just giving 2025. So it is not a leap year. Then my fifth question is, a company wants to print attendance report IDs from 1 to 10. Write a program to display these IDs using a for loop. The program is printing the attendance report ID. So I'm giving for I in range 1, starting with the number 1 and till the 10th value. The last value will be always minus 1. So we have given that like 11. Then I'm formatting it and printing the IDs. And this will be my ID values. My sixth question will be, my sixth my sixth question is, a small restaurant needs a multiplication table to calculate orders. Write a program to generate the multiplication table of the user given number. So the program is getting the number from the user, and for the multiplication table, I'm getting the number as the input. Then starting from the range of 1 to 11, formatting it with the I value. So multiplying it, then the multiplication table prints. So let me run it. I'm just giving 12 tables, so I'm getting the number 12. So we got the output for 12th table. The next question is my seventh question. A email verification system needs to count the number of vowels in an email body. Write a Python program to count the vowels in a string. The program is getting the input text from the user and giving the vowels in lowercase and in uppercase and giving the count value as 0. For the character in my text, I'm giving for loop to loop for looping in and checking the condition. If the character is in the vowels, then I'm counting my value, adding it into plus 1. Then I'm getting the values, like how many variables are vowels are there in my text. This is my seventh question, and let me run it up. So I'm just giving treble. My number of vowels is 2. My eighth question is, a security check system validates if the entered password is a palindrome. Read same forwards and backwards. Write a program to verify this. So my code is, I'm just giving getting the user input as password. And condition is, if the password, the initial letter, the starting letter, and the last letter is same, then we will say it as palindrome. So giving the condition for it and printing, if it is palindrome, then the password is palindrome. Like the starting letter and the ending letter is equal, then it is palindrome. Else it is not a palindrome. Let's run it. So I'm just giving a word of data science. It is not palindrome. And let me give hell war. It is palindrome. The password is a palindrome. Next question is, a sales team records the sales amount of 5 employees. Create a list, then find the maximum sale, minimum sale, and the total sales. In this program, I'm getting a user input list and I'm just giving a empty list and getting the value. I'm getting the range of 5 values from the user in the terms of data type float. Then appending this amount to the list. I'm just appending to the list. Then for maximum sale, I'm just giving max keyword. For minimum sale, I'm just giving minimum keyword, and total sale, I'm just giving the sum of sales. And this is the program to find maximum, minimum, and the total. So I'm just gonna run this program. Enter the sales of the employee one is 100, two is 200, 3 is 300, 4 is 400, 5 is 500. My maximum sale is rupees 500, my minimum sale is rupees 100, and my total sales are total amount is 1500. My next question is accept the names of 5 suppliers and print them in sorted order for generating supplier list. In this program, I'm just giving an empty list. In this, I have given an empty list and get for using for loop. I'm getting the users from the input from the user and appending the values to the list, and using sort keyword, I'm just sorting the list. Then I'm printing the list. Then to print the all values, I'm using a for loop. For name and suppliers, printing the name. Let us run it up. Supplier 1 is Jesus. Supplier 2 is Jebel. Supplier 3 is Sonisha. Then supplier name is Abhi. Supplier 5 is Igli. So this will be my sorted supplier list. That's all for my experiment number 1. Thank you.